Hello, good morning, my viewers. Today is another great day that you have been given by God, and today I'm showing you how to make your flash disk bootable for installation of Windows. We're going to start. First of all, you have to know how to open CMD, and second thing, you have to type disk part. After typing this part, you type list disk, and remember there's space on list disk. The fourth thing, you have to select the disk number. Example, you write select disk 1 or 2 according to how it is arranged. Okay, the fifth thing, you write clean the disk. Okay, the other thing is create partition primary. Okay, after it's been created, then you write format fs is equals ntfs. Then you have to write quick to save time, and then you write active. After that, you exit. Same thing, it's as simple as that. Okay, we are going to do it. Let me show you how we are doing it practically. We open keyboard. Okay, shortcut for CMD, you press Windows R and it appears like CMD.